The driver's space was maintained well, with maximum intrusion of the lower interior of 17 cm at the lower hinge pillar. Upper interior intrusion measured 7 cm at the hinge pillar and instrument panel. Measures from the dummy indicate that injuries to the left lower leg would be possible in a crash of this severity. During the test, some injury data from the left leg was lost. But after the institute reviewed comparable test data from Nissan, the left leg injury risk was rated acceptable. The risk of significant injuries to other body regions is low. The dummy's movement was well controlled. The dummy's head loaded the frontal airbag, which stayed in front of the dummy until rebound. The side curtain airbag deployed and has sufficient forward coverage to protect the head from contact with side structure and outside objects. The side torso airbag also deployed.